Okay, here's a problem. I started the computer and it's displaying this message. An operating system wasn't found. Disconnect any drives that don't contain an operating system. And that's exactly true because here's an external hard drive and it is connected to the USB port of the computer. So let's just unplug this one. The blue LED turned off, so that one is disconnected. Now I will reset the computer. That's the reset button, and now Windows should start. The error message should not be shown once again. That's the BIOS, that's the operating system selection menu, and yes, Windows is loading. So since the external hard drive did not contain any operating system, the computer tried to boot from that one, and of course it could not. So I had to remove it, and it is booting from the internal hard drive of the computer. And as it's visible, it is working.